Alrighty then. So from last night, we had one of our members that had requested me as a mentor to walk through his trade setups, and he did a great job of spending some time going over here and lining them all up. So let's take some time to go through them here today. Make sure you're following us over here on our social media, especially here on Instagram, where the most fun is happening. And of course, here, if you want to learn how we earn, right there on Discord, all the links are down in the description down below. So we are going to be going through a walkthrough of one of our members right down here, and let's do some critiques. He did a great job here walking through all of his. I think he recorded the entire session. I don't know if it's the entire session, but this is 11 minutes of this. Let's go through the whole thing. I think there's going to be a lot here to learn. I can tell just from the opener. I haven't been through this yet. This is the first time shot through, so let's get into it. Oh, first of all, I like the music going on here. So one of the first comments as we talk about music, if you have gone through the Overcoming Fear series that I have, one of the tips is to turn up your music so loud that you cannot hear your own heart rate, that you need to make sure that it's like going into a like football game, a basketball game, they get the hyped up music and whatnot. You are going to try to psychologically get yourself in the zone. That is part of what all that music and hype does, right? Now, there's exceptions to that, like golf. Okay, everybody be very, very quiet. The concentration levels, okay, that's not this game, okay? This is a game where you should be getting into it, hype, whatnot. So, first of all, I approve of the music. If you are a person who's like, well, I like to listen to my Beethoven and Bach, it really, gets my fatal levels going. No, it doesn't. I've proven it out. Go watch the other videos on it. I won't go into detail here on it today, but I approve of the music that he's got going here. Let's roll. Okay, first thing I'm seeing here, okay, I see a beautiful double cross set up here. Now, I think he's avoiding taking this double cross, double move, maybe because he thinks he's in an accumulation zone. But folks, we're at the end of the accumulation zone, are we not? This is king timing. He should have already been chomping at the bit for taking a long, right? On top of that, top side here, what's the latest one that we had? King timing. What do we have up here? We got double dots. We've got targets up above us. I mean, I don't know why he's not slamming on the buttons already. So again, you are a video gamer. There's a double cross, double move right there. There is a blue dot with it giving that umph. I think, let's see if he's looking for his filters on the left. Let me shrink myself and get myself out of the way. Hold on a second. How do I, one moment please. So let's go to my, here, can I do it this way? Okay, just get myself out of the way here. How do I get that little logo thing? I gotta fix that. 1 second. There we go. Okay, sorry. Okay, get back to it. So, left side. What's our filter? Maybe because it's partially red, but this is mixed, right? So on a mixed, I can take either direction, right? What about our Mac V? I mean, we're mixed as well, right? Now up at the top, so far left-hand side is red, and yes, we are dive bombing down. But when you get a shot like this, you're almost also looking like you've got a turtle here. You got two legs on the back. You have a curvature. You got a straight neck. I want to take this, and I mean, we've got a turtle up. We've got a double cross up. Just a lot of things here where I don't know, if I were him, I would be in a position already. I'm not saying he has to get huge on this, but we should at least be towing the water quarter position. This is at least worth quarter position. On top of that, what's that right there? If you are a double cross, double move player, if you have, this is called a power up, okay? If we are getting a Flowmaster Delta cross going into our training videos right there, Flowmaster Delta down here, that is a big one. That is one of the biggest that you've got. The next closest one was way over here at 9:11 a.m. back here. Okay, for the size. And you've got that one right there, powering that up. Okay, this is a place you want to take that. That's all. A lot of things just tell me we would already want to be in this trade position. And there should have already been, actually that might be his horizontal line. No, I think that's his price line. So he should have already drawn a horizontal here at this double cross zone. Now, do we have any up top? No, I'm very surprised that there are no crosses up here or bubbles. So I will also ask, make sure that you, it's Martinez, right? Yeah, it's Manuel. We'll call him Manuel. Okay, so Manuel, make sure that you have bubbles turned on up here or crosses. Again, I don't care which one you people prefer, and sometimes I have bubbles, sometimes I kind of switch back to crosses up here. But I don't see any, so I'm worried that you have them turned off possibly, unless maybe there's just not a lot of volume going on here which is possible. Let's see, what time is this? 8:40 to 9:50. Okay, so maybe they're not on this one, but just a check there. So let's keep going. Yeah. Okay, there he goes. Okay, he did do it. Okay, there he goes. Did you see what he just did right there? He pressed F6. So if you are using the defaults in our system, it's F6. If you have a key bound to that, F6 is the horizontal line tool. Okay. Horizontal line tool, and that is the shortcut for it right there by default. If you want to put your own shortcut, that's fine, but we do use this quite often to measure out, or not measure out, but to draw our important white cross Flowmaster levels, right? Now, we do have those automated on the top side, right? So if you got them on the high time frame, they should already be being drawn for you, which again, I think he has this turned off. So again, bro, first thing I would say is turn those on the high time frames. I don't see any. I see no levels to work with over here because those are not turned on. So turn on your horizontal cross horizontals, bro. Auto. If you don't know about that, here, let's go over to, I'll show you guys how to do it on my own charts. Okay, so these are our Lunchbot full auto systems here that I was running today. So let's go over here into our indicators. So Flowmaster cross, I'm going to, there it is. See that, draw horizontals? This right here is key. Okay, watch what happens when I hit draw horizontals. I press apply, wait for it. Going back and calculating, wait for it. Whoa. Now, this is because we got a lot of days of data. This is, this is not going to happen on yours. If you're setting it at 500 bars, I'll show you what that looks like normally. So we're going to go into data series. These should be back only 500 bars. If some people are, concerned with like why that is, again, just go, go look it up. Okay, 500 bars back, and we should get a decent number of these without too many. Now this is on the twos, so I also wouldn't want to do this like on the twos level. And let's go to data series. Twos is way too small. So this would be on the ES. We would want this on the sixes. Wait for it. Loading, processing. All right, so I saw what I did there. So I set to, when I typed 500, it was on days. I was like, whoa, why is that taking forever? Okay, I was loading up years of data. Okay, bars. Okay, we want 500 bars. Click on OK. Now we go into our indicators there. Hold on. Yeah, we got a prior request. Hold on. All right, and we're back. So it took a minute here to get those loaded up. So I had done 500 days instead of 500 bars, and so this is going to be looking better here. So each of our crosses over the previous 500 bars are going to be important levels. And if you have this automatically turned on, your chart should look like this from the higher time frame. Everything's coming off of the sixes. These levels are going to get projected down to your lower time frame. So that is a key to make sure you enable those horizontals before you go on there. Okay, so let's get back to your video. All right, let's play it on.
On the 5.
Okay, whoa, don't know what he's doing here. Okay, he is, I think he's looking for some levels, some previous levels. I don't see them projected on here, so I'm not sure what he's doing here. Maybe he can come back and explain to me later what he's doing there, but he needs to be careful of this. Like, down on this level, like, he should already be ready. Okay, this type of analysis that he's doing right now, it's a no-no on the lower time frame. This is his lowest. Okay, those of you guys who are new with us, so he has the highest time frame that he's got here is the wave. Now he does not have the tide. Okay, we are missing one. He's probably got the tide up on another chart off screen somewhere. But his highest time frame he has here is the wave. This is a 33 range that he's got here on the wave. That's going to feed down to the lower time frames. He's got his, this is the next one. This is our MACV filter. So as we move, we usually use these as the filter charts. There are some executions off of this, particularly the two-finger salute off of this one. And a scenario like this one, I mean, that's a great play off of the bottom there, off of a diamond play, diamond dot, beautiful setup right there. You can still take setups off of this time frame, but your risk is going to be higher, so you're going to take less contracts and look for bigger targets off of the higher time frames. This should be kind of normal. You guys already understand that, right? But as we move to the left, take the dividing line here. These are our two entry windows, okay? This is going to be the 1 and the 2. This one here, I should reverse that because this is a higher time frame. So off of the 5s, in this case the 2s, these can be adjusted depending on, various factors of volatility and speed, but there's not going to be higher than 5. This is the absolute highest you're ever going to go. This is NASDAQ, so you want this high, but you could be down lower on, like the ES is going to be a 3, and these are going to be 1s. right? For instance, and this, instead of being at the 8s, this is going to be on a 6 on the ES. Okay, you guys should know those things. You guys get those in our videos, but we're taking the time here to kind of walk through all of it so you know, right? So he's doing analysis on the lowest time frame though. That is a no-no. This type of looking around for levels and stuff should not be done on this low time frame. Everybody got that? You are, now mind you, his buttons are off screen, so I also don't like that he's not recording his buttons because we need to see where he's hovering his fingers. He should be hovering his fingers over the opens and the close buttons on the right hand side in general, unless he's got hotkeys set up on his keyboard. So again, all these notes, but this, shrinking your charts up, taking all your time to do this, we're missing something. Okay, I wish he had audio on this and walking through why he's doing this. This is be better. Again, it's, I know it's difficult, trust me, as a guy who has gone out here and live stream trying to talk through and walk through what you're doing while you're doing, it's very, very difficult for your brain to process all that and speak at the same time. Very, very difficult, but let's carry on.
Master on the T's.
So, not sure what he's looking for still. Has not taken a trade. I do not know why. I cannot figure out why or what. So my critique is, I mean, we've got, I mean, there is a red dot in between that, but it's after. If you were to zoom that in, you can tell that red bar is literally 1 or 2 bars to the left of this double dot. That is a double dot green dot here. You've got blue power dot with double crosses here. I don't know how much more powerful of a play you can get. This is toe in the water entry on double crosses, add to position on that one. You should be at least, on the minimum, a 4 contract play here, in my opinion. There is an add. So now you're at 6 contracts, should already be on the table, right? In my opinion. Are we after the gray area? Yes. Are we mixed so we can play both directions? Yes. Favorable direction, okay, that is short, so I get the things that are kind of going against him, but am I going to take a play like this when I have all of this confluence? This is what I've been trying to tell you guys. Just because you have things against you, you're never going to have everything with you. You are going to have things against you. You're going to have to take some risks. You're going to have to take your shots. Am I going to take this? Yes, because how many things do I have going here? Double cross, power dot. That's not even a regular dot. That is a blue instead of a green. Blue is our most powerful dot. Some people don't know that. If you're new with the system, green is not more powerful. Bright green is a middle. Dark green is the least. And yeah, I mean, this is just a beautiful play set up here. And you've got a beautiful, I mean, target 1 easily right up in that. And on a double cross, double move, where's the measurement? He should be already measured from here to project out. This is going to be, right, if I'm eyeballing that, there to there, there to there. Double cross, double move, and he should have a gold line up in here in this spot to know exactly where he should be holding a position up to. And he should be 6 contracts deep on this, which, you know, this is going to be this is at least $1,000 trade here on a NASDAQ play right up into that box. So I don't know why there's not a position initiated. That's my first critique. Let's go. He's still wiggling around on his charts, moving his charts around. I don't know why he's doing all that. Everything, the vision is clear.
Good dog. Master on the T's.
Okay, he's got a red dot there. He's looking at the high time frames for some reason. He should have already had those decisions up there. Yeah, he's pointing up there. It looks like he's trying to point out that he's got PRZs up above him for targets. Yes. Definitely see all that. I'll turn the music down just a little bit. Is that still too loud? About back to there. Is that good? Can you guys hear me all right? Well, I can't. I'm not getting live feedback here, so I'm just going to assume. Here we go. All right, so he's riding it.
Good dog. Russell on the map V.
So where's our stop? My mental stop is below these white crosses. Then it's off, right? Okay, he just did a measurement. Now he's got his measurement. So good. So he's got his gold line cross up there. So now he's got it, right? I just think it's a little bit slow, right? I think he's a little bit behind. Oh my word, another add. I would be adding to position right there so bad. Okay, so I'm adding to position here. I'm at 8 contracts on this play. He's got a blue dot here. I might be at 10 or 12 now, okay? I am pushing it right now. All right, so our first stop out, boom. So high contract count, I'm going to get stopped out right there. Normally, I'm out right there, okay? Now, that white horizontal line, it's too high, okay? That horizontal line should be moved down to that first cross right there. So the white line should be right here. But if we cross back through that, I'm taking that long. Re-entering. And if I'm at 8 contracts before, I'm at 10 going back in, right? If we cross that line and level, he's got his target right there. This is where we're targeting. He's got that in a good spot right there. I do see the pink dot over on the left, so that might make him a little nervous. But I am still wanting to push that play. That looks like a total, like another fake out, fake down. And let's see if we get the up move. Here comes king timing. Maybe that's what he's waiting on. I don't know. He already had it here, though. So we're in a whole nother set of king timings. He's got double spots right here. I'm going to speed this up a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't sound too crazy. But let's push it out. Okay, I'm not sure what he's looking around for. I do not recommend wiggling around your charts, folks. You should be focused in, laser focused on what's happening on high time frames, waiting for your entries, stalking your entries, fingers over the buy buttons in this case. Okay, I hear look for a short now, though. Okay, so MACV just shifted back to red. Right on king timing. We got Delta King. We need an entry. I would like to hear his own commentary. I hope, Manuel, if you could come back and do another video and you do a critique of yours. I want to hear your thought process of why you didn't take any trades in here. I'm just kind of curious. I know what you're thinking. You're like, oh, well, it was a stop out. Well, yeah, I mean, sometimes you're going to get stopped. Okay, there we go. So he's adding in, he's going in on a headshot now. So I'm not sure what his targets are there. I'll have to ask him how he's got his ATM set up. I can't see his ATMs either because they're off here on the side, so I can't tell what his ATMs are set up like. Oh my word, another critique. What is this? What is this crap? Okay, oh my god, bro. Okay, if anybody comes and asks me to do an assessment and I come over here and waste my time doing this while you're sitting over here playing with your tick counts and your point counters and not using dollars on this, don't waste my time. Okay, I am very disappointed. I've made this very clear. Doing this, this is an admission that you're trading with fear and fear only. We are not playing for points here, folks. You are trading this like a business. You don't talk about, hell, a customer comes in your door, oh, how much is this? And you're like, oh, 3 points. No, that's not how things go. We're not trading Bitcoin here. Oh, it's a 0.55573 Bitcoins. No. What is this garbage? Absolutely not. Change that.
Hit dot. Russell on the Tuesday.
Okay. So, I guess he went with a target one there. There's nothing bad about that. I mean, it's a headshot. Okay, so headshot, I'm assuming he got 10 or 15 ticks out of that. He entered in pretty good at 180 up to, you get out of 84s. So about 15 ticks. Okay, so we got 15 ticks out of that. So not too bad. Okay, so he got a nice T2. That's a target 2 scenario. Great. So 15 ticks on it. He's got a blue dot coming in up here, though. I wish there was a little bit more on that. He could have gotten, I can't see how much. Again, he's got his profit level over here on the right, too. I can't see how much profits. And that whole thing was on point value. So, again, major, no, bro. Fix it.
On the Tuesday.
Okay, I mean, blue dots galore. As soon as we cross back through that level, I would want to be adding to this position. I'll even add on any other entry back behind this. We have a Delta King coming in right there. So we got the traps. Everybody tried to get short right there. Now we are moving up. I would be looking for a big play if we cross back through that white line. Okay, he's going in. Let me think what he did right there. He went in. I'm not sure. This is where I would want his commentary. He got in down here. We hadn't got to the white line yet. So, I mean, maybe he was anticipating it. I don't know. I'd like to hear his assessment of this. Again, super annoying that we're dealing with point values. Okay, this is ridiculous. Be a man. You're a grown up. You're not a child. Stop playing like that. Don't play fearful. Let's go. Could be a very, very big play, especially because, I mean, look at this wave that's been wound up. If we run, we could go all the way up into those golden ropes up there for the high side target. We got double blues back here, and I can't call that a double dot, but there is more power boosting it as well back here. There's your double cross double move from before. You know, 2 try rule. I am pushing in on that right there. So if before I was at 8 contracts, let's even push it up and say I was at 10. Well, then on this one, what am I at? I'm at 12 contracts, right? I am tat 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 tat. Nope, sorry. Tat 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 tat. 6. That's a hard one. I don't normally do a 6, so you need to know your tats. Okay, that is going to be practice, but we need to get into that position right there. Roll it.
Hip dot. Nasdaq on the 5.
Oh, you got. Okay, did he close some of that out? What did he just do right there? What did he just do? Did he take off some targets? Did he close them? Oh, he moved them up. Okay, he moved it up and out. My bad. So moved it up and out. He's only in 2 contracts here. We went red. He could have taken off half and then boom, re-added on that green. Okay, if he got, if you're gonna be pushing into a play and you get a opposite opposing color, what do? Half off, right? This is the whole play. Half on, half off add. Folks, you gotta practice this stuff. Okay, if you want me to critique, and maybe you're not ready for it. I forget what level you're at, if you're in the middle 40 days or in your final 40 days. Half on, half off, add. Right, you guys hear me say this all the time. Half on, half off, add. You need to practice this. Now, mind you, this is a final 40 days play. Okay, this is, so your middle 40 days, we're focusing on quantity. Okay, so first 40 days, that's videos and training and notes. Middle 40 days, quantity. I want clicks, 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 all here, get all your mechanics good. Rules, and then here, applying rules and filters and doing advanced level stuff like half on, half off, add. Okay, so half on, half off, add, that's a half off, boom, let's put it back, let's roll, right? Recency is key. So some people ask, well, hold on, you just had a red, why would you go green? Remember this, okay? Write this down. This should be in your notes already. If it's not, I repeat these things all the time so that you guys can get them drilled in your head. Recency is key. What is the most recent? I don't, like, well, I just saw a red and then a green, Vinny, what should I do? Which one was more recent? Very easy. Occam's razor. Most recent one counts. Let's go.
Yes, on the map D. Hip dot.
We're riding up here. Okay, that should be taking some off. Did he take any off right there? He's still holding this. Okay, I have no idea what his logic is on that. You should be taking some off here, at least half your position. Now he's only in 2 contracts, and he's not, he's not sizing appropriately here. If you're in your final 40 days, the whole point and the purpose, folks, when you're live, it's a different animal. If you're going to be, if you want to play pussyfoot around, but what did I tell you guys to do? Practice where you want to be, not where you are. Write this down. Practice where you want to be, not where you are. It's like, well, Vinny, I'm only going to have a $2,500 account, so I'm just going to do little small things. No, no. You can always go down. I've said this in multiple videos, and I'm going to say it again right now. Help you out. Okay, that's supposed to be a down arrow. You guys can't see it because my thing's in the way. All right. But no, you can always go down. That's easy. It is hard to go up. Okay? If you can trade 20 contracts, 15 contracts, great. Going down to like 3 to 5, that's easy. Moving up is the hardest part. So if you're going to be practicing down here and all of a sudden you're ready to move up and you're going to just bork yourself. Just do as I say. Please, people, save yourself. Trying to help you guys out. Anyhow, this is rough for me to watch, honestly, because I would be... If this was me, I would be livid mad at myself. Listen, man, I want you to go back to whatever date this was, mark a replay this date, whatever this is. Okay, you wanted me to do an assessment on it. A lot of people don't do this. So after you have goofed something, okay, don't just be, oh, well, I guess next time I'll do it better. No, there is a next time. Go do it again. Go market replay. Do this properly. Do exactly as I said just throughout this video. Go ahead and take your stop out here. You should have been at this position, being looking for that play to go. This is another initiator, and you start to push it up. Fantastic. Now we're adding into position. We break through that white line. We're adding. We're getting big on this. This should be whatever this was over to the left. Remember what tray played you're in. Okay, so we had 1 loss. Great. Second play was a headshot. Boom. No problem. Winner. Great. Third trade, bam. We're right back to increasing size because this was your second try, right? 2-try rule. If you don't know about the 2-try rule, again, go through the videos. 2-try rule says, as we push right back through these, I'm hitting again. Is there ever a 3? No. We never take 3 trades. Why? Because we never strike out. Okay? Baseball, 3 strikes, you're out. We do never take a third swing at something. 2, yes. 3, never. That's why we never strike out. That's why we always win, folks. All right, next. Boom. Breakthrough, push it out. And then what's his target? Appropriate targets should be at the gold line. Now, he measured this improperly from before. Remember I was saying that that white line, as he measured, let's see, he measured it from, looks like from that tip point, okay? So you got a couple things here. The lowest tip point where this thing began is here, and I know it's parting hairs, but that changes the distance of that. You're getting an extra couple ticks on that, and when you're getting in that size, you know, 1 or 2 ticks times 12 contracts is a lot on the line there, okay? That's over $120 just for a 10 or 12 scenario right there on $5 a tick. So just keep that in mind. You're leaving money on the table. So you close out half position right there at the gold cross, and then boom, I'm sorry, at the gold line, and then boom, as that cross goes, bam, close it out. You hit that right there. That is, I mean, you're done. You're done for the day. You got trade 1, you got trade 2. I mean, these were ads here, so this is all one trade. That's 1, that's 2. That's your third trade of the day, and when you're hitting 3 in a row, I mean, at that point, you know, you should be good. Well, not 3 in a row winners, because this one would be a loser. So first one, small loss. Second one, hitting nice. You got target 2 on that one, and then this one, that is a very, very nice play on that. Let's keep going. Oh, he's still holding that out? I have no idea. I don't know. I don't teach this, folks. I have no idea what he's doing. Okay, he looks like he's trying to go for that PRZ target up there, which is fine if you're at least taking off part of your position here. Now, double cross, double move. First thing you should be doing is measure it from here to here, right? Instantly. Instantaneously. He should be pressing the buy button 1 time, at least adding to this position 1 time right here. Then moving and measuring from where? This cross to these double crosses, right? Double cross, double move. Now he's gotten his big play coming in right here. You got that? And if we are measuring that appropriately and we project that out, that's probably putting that maybe to his PRZ up there, but that's going to be a tough one. Look at how the size of the PRZ that's in play, though. Okay, this is going to be a monster move if that harmonic completes out, right? That's the whole point of why that gold PRZ is there, because we've got the left side. So again, could be a huge, huge play here. So I get it for him, but I mean, play what's there. Play it like I teach it. Do partials, right? Partials on, partials off. You know exactly where to pull them. Play the video game. Read the video game. Stop overthinking. Stop overriding the video game. Let the video game play. This is a cheat for the markets. If you do this, look, it's fine in this play, okay? But over time, if you don't play these things out, you are not playing your edge. Now, you see this before? We were talking about as that breaks through, we can target inside of that that golden rope envelope there, right? Beautiful. And then, of course, I mean, there's a huge play right all the way up to there if this whole thing runs. And do we have enough juice to get up there? Yes. Why? Because we've already got an accumulation zone. So if this is the distribution leg, right? If we got the D right here, boom. Yes, we could possibly go all the way up there. But am I going to make that bet? Am I just going, oh, yeah, so that means we're going all the way up there? No, we follow the process. We stair step our way up to glory. You got it? All right, let's go. There we go. Adding to position right there. Okay, there we go. He did a good job there. Okay, okay. I'll take that. I'll take that. Yeah, come on, man. Move your stops. Okay, see that? That's lack of practice. You see how he tried to click that 2 or 3 times, trying to click? That's bad. All right, that's just practice. You got to get practice going. Okay, lots of critiques here, bro. All right, yeah, you add to position. Keep like you're moving this, but you should have already done your measurement. You don't have your measurement appropriate yet. So anyway, a lot of things. Just be careful with this. You don't have to I don't know why people are so religious about pushing the stop right where it's got to be first when they're pulled back. You have a close button for that. The panic button is what? The close button. It's blue. Let's change it to blue here. Okay. Close button is your friend. Okay. You don't have to move the stop up to there. This is the same. This is equal. Okay. If the thing starts going out, okay, boom, click, but do your job. Your job is to get these measurements appropriate. You're not even getting where this is supposed to be. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, this hurts me. This hurts me to watch this, but okay, let's go. Just trying to help you out. Let's go. Why is he not moving his targets? What are you doing? Oh my word, I'm gonna scratch my eyes out watching this.
Harmonic pattern. Nastia.
Is he about to drop a stop right there? Did he just take some off? What the hell did he just do? Did he literally just take some off? Hold on, I gotta see that again. Oh my word, dude, do you...
Harmonic pattern. Nastia.
Did he just grabbed one of those targets and pulled it down and took it out right here? What is right here? What is right here to take off? Is there a red? Do I see a red anywhere up there? What? Is it because of this? I mean, I don't know, man. I need to hear the thought process. You need to go back and do this whole thing over again. This is a huge opportunity play. I mean, you've even got a giant turtle set up here, and this is just getting absolutely abolished. I'm trying to help you out, bro, but I'm embarrassed right now. I'm your coach trying to go, bro, you're not hitting the free throws. Free throws. Boom, boom. Pow, pow. Double cross, double move. Easiest play we got. Look, even if you messed this up and you didn't measure from the cross to cross, even if you goofed it up and you went from this pivot, the prior pivot, you got a nice straight leg into double cross area. That double move is somewhere in the neighborhood up here. What are your targets doing here? I don't even know. I can't. I hope this is helping somebody besides destroying my heart rate. Okay, let's go.
Good dog. Dow Jones on the twos.
His fingers should be... Okay, there we go. Okay, now he's getting a measurement. But it's the wrong measurement, right? Like I said, if he messed it up, he would do it right there. This is a shallow target. If you are a nervous type of player, whatever, okay, you would do that one. But what do I do? Okay, I'm going to tell you guys, pro tip, what I do. I will measure both. So I have both. I have options, okay? So what I do is I will measure from there to there. Fine, okay? That's the cheater one. This is the easy one, okay? Fine. But then I will measure this to there also so that I have the big one. So he should have two of those. You get that? That would be my method on that so that I have both as an option, especially when I'm getting into a multi-contract position. Next. Add to position. Add. He's way slow. Way slow. Oh my gosh, this is terribly slow. He's adding there. There's not a problem adding there. He got the break. He got the green dot. That's fine to add to position. Okay. I don't know why he's sliding a stop up there like that. I tell you guys not to trail your stops. That is a noob thing to do. Completely noob. You guys been watching too much Thinkorswim and Twitter for too long. Can't do that. What? What did you just do? Did you just close that? I am gonna rip my hair out. What is going on? Oh my word. This is not what I teach. This is not what I teach. Not what I teach. What are you doing? Oh my word. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this one myself. Now I'm so frustrated by watching this that I've got to do this one myself. Okay, I want to know what date this is. Give me the date of, can I see it on here? No, I can't tell what date this is. I want the date. I'm going to market replay this for you guys to show. This is an amazing set of plays, and you have botched the F out of this play, bro. Oh, this is handing you money, and you're literally like, nah, bro, I'm good. I don't need it. I don't need that money. I mean, you didn't even close any out. Like, you put your targets on the gold line. What are you doing closing out? Like, you're literally eating and throwing away ticks by... I can't. I just watch it. Ooh. I don't know what all that wiggle necessary was about. Okay. He really likes to move this chart around. I don't know what you're doing, bro. Why? What's the necessity of moving this chart around? I don't know. I would like to see you moving your targets around. Oh, I'm trying to help, bro. I love you enough to give you the critique, bro. This is hurting me, bro. Let's go. He's looking back to the left. Okay, he's pointing at something. I'm trying to think of what he's going to show back here. We already know that was a double cross play, but now that one's kind of out of play. Now we've got, I mean, this is the bad boy right here. He should be measuring from here to here, so he has a new projection out there to see where we're going. So if he gets any play in here, that he can hold out his runner target off of that DCDM, baby. All right, come on now, come on. I don't know what we're looking over here for. This is out of play now. Okay, I think he was deleting. He just wanted to delete. He wanted to clean up his chart. I don't care about a clean chart. Yeah, there's a Bible passage about that. An ox, basically a house with no ox has a clean stable, but much work is done by the ox, and there's a mess. Like the Bible literally says, they'd rather see a mess, all right, where there's work being done, than a clean place where no work's being done. Okay, that's what you're doing here. This is ICT style bullshit. I mean, if you have a lull, sure, but you're right in the middle of a play here, bro. This thing's still running on you. You got opportunities. This is about to come right back down into your double cross area, bro. Get ready. Where's your finger should be over the buy button? Your finger should be over the buy button. What are you doing? Moving stuff around, bro. Why is your finger not over the buy button? Get your finger over the buy button. Get your finger over the buy button. Oh my God. There should be adding to position right now. Oh, what are you doing? Why are you not adding? Oh my gosh, this is torture. Folks, this is at 1.25 speed. And he is way behind. All right, bro. Oh my word. This drives me insane. Oh, this is so hard for me to watch. All right, keep going. HMD. Beautiful HMD play here. He doesn't have spread targets. Oh my word. This is a target 1, target 2 play. I am going to scratch my eyes out. Go. Oh my word. He took a single target. I am going to... oh my gosh. I'm so pissed right now. Go for it. Oh, look at her go. Look at her go. Oh my word. This should have been target 1 off, sure. But bro, you hold this one now, bro. You hold it. You should be holding a second play. You had 2 contracts there. It should have been split at least. There you go. Oh, there's a double delta at the bottom. Everybody see the double delta for me? Double delta, take the next play. You see this? What does that mean? The double delta, okay? Double delta means, write it in your notes. You should already have this. Ready up. Ready up for what? The next trade. I don't care what it is. I don't care what shows up next. What am I doing? I am slamming on the button right there. All right, it's ready. The next play is going to be a play. Let's go. That medium timing. So what I'd be thinking to myself is, I've got time, right? Why do I have time? Because I'm at medium, okay? Small, medium, large, king, right? So I picture in my head, I've got, you know, I just got to try to picture what this could be, right? It could do that, and I want to enter in good right there, right? As we start to push up, that would be a beautiful place. If we get here in large, I better have an entry point, like a dot, is something, right? But right now, as that ready up is hit, I'm ready. I am going to fire off a trade. Don't care, you know, what it is at this point. Any entry, headshot, double dot, shark back, okay? I am ready. I am having my finger over the buy button right now. I'm not floating around with my charts and all that kind of stuff. We're ready to attack this thing. Let's go. Red dot. Okay, so that is probably going to play. We could take a short here. Double dot, short. Okay, he should be taking a short here. Target 1. Please hit the short button. Please hit the sell button. Please hit the sell button. You got a red over there. You got doubles here. That is a headshot now. I would be taking a short. Target. What? Did he close it? OMG! Is that the end? Oh! I am going to scratch my eyes out. I am going to... Okay. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm going to do this myself. All right, I can't. All right, bro. I did. You asked me to walk through this and Groovy Critiques. You're probably going to hate me after this. Okay, but listen, bro. That is a double up. Now, we might say, well, we did kind of have that one right there. It's pretty darn close, okay? But would I be taking a shot at this? You bet your butt I would. Now it's a medium, so am I going to go target 2? No. But do I have a target 1? Yes. I've got target 1, and then my second one would be that line right there, okay? If the thing starts to give me some momentum, I'm holding all the way down to there. This thing gets cut off. I don't know what happens after this, but I would say we got the red coming in here. I got double dot play right here, and at the end, he's still not even showing me how much money he made. But listen, folks, the guy still made money. After all this jacked up stuff, okay? He still made money, and so I will part you ways with this friendly reminder. Hold on, let me put my video back. Where's my video thing? Audio visualizer. Here we go. All right, bring me back. All right, listen, I will part ways with you on this. Okay. This is rough. Okay. You don't, here we go. The moral of this story is you don't have to be perfect. I can't even fit it on the screen. I gotta make it smaller. To be profitable. All right. Here with our system, it is okay. You can jack up the whole thing. I will probably give you a hard time about it, but hey, when you're laughing all the way to the bank, all right? And I can't spell perfect either. There's a C in there somewhere. I'm sorry. I'm still laughing. I'm not even know if I'm laughing. I'm like, I'm so stressed about, like, I want to go back and fix that whole trade setup, trades plural. You don't have to be perfect. You can even spell perfect wrong like me, all right? And you can still be perfect with our system. Folks, look, I love you guys. I do, all right? And we're having a good time. Don't forget, if you're not having fun doing it, you're doing it wrong. Well, hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you had a good time with it. I would go back. Let's ask Manuel what day this was, and let's see you guys maybe replay this. I'm going to try to replay this sometime this week, maybe on Friday, to run through this myself on that. But hopefully that is helpful for you guys. I'd love to see a secondary from Manuel on, okay, he did it again, and you know, he took note of all those things. If you guys have any questions on any of the stuff in here, I think there's a lot to unpack on this play and these trade setups, because this isn't just a single play. There's multiple setups in here. But put it down in the comments on this video, and come over here in the Discord if you gotta, post a screenshot, because I know in the comments you can't really post a screenshot, but if you have a question, take a screenshot of this, post it in the Discord, and say, hey, what about this? What about this section right here? Was there anything there? Because you also, I can see J-Hook players also kind of going crazy here, being like, dude, there's a perfect J-Hook jackknife, and the jackknife is going to be double this distance, right? So you can also play this where if you are doing your measurement tool from here to here, you got 100% pullback up to here somewhere off chart, where you expect that this play is going to be up to this level, which ultimately ends up probably trying to be these as well. So a lot of confluence going on there. I'd like to see how the rest of this played out there. But hey, I do have to say, first of all, I'm not beating you up too much. Manuel, awesome stuff. You guys go and subscribe to him. Appreciate his efforts on putting that in there and giving me the opportunity to be his coach and his mentor through the trade process. And well done for doing that. So I will catch you guys on the flip side. For me, Pippi, Robbie, Lunchbot, Mod Squad, Curtis, G, and the rest of the gang, listen at that big exhale. See ya.
Fit dot. Russell on the Mac V.